Hey guys, I'm gonna be playing some Minecraft Hunger Games. So I mean not Hunger Games, the hell, PvP. So let's go. Logging in. I mean this server. Okay, let go. Looking for people. I'm looking. I'm looking. Well, why am I lagging so much? Not screen. I'm looking. Sorry, I'm so quiet. I'm just focusing right now. Okay. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. Hey guys, playing some Minecraft PvP here. Oh, you scared the shit out of me. Boom, dead. No, he's taking my kill. My fan, please. No, please. No, man. Okay, let's try. Let's go again. Okay, the server IP will be in the description if you want to play some Minecraft PvP. Lag. Ooh, got sniped though. What the heck? Okay, the zombie's dead. Okay. Um. Ooh. Splash potion of sheer smite 1. Blind the victim when attacked. What does that do? I always want to know. Oh damn. Where you come from? Team? I'm not hitting you. Pew! Pew! You hacker! Get away. Get away from me. Get away, get away, get away. No. Run. No. Run. Did he snipe me or kill me with a sword? I don't know. He probably killed me with a sword. Okay, let's get some more. Ooh, iron pants. Iron leggings, yeah. Yay. Leg go. Snipe. Nope, snipe. Team. 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 Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Team. Okay. Team. Ah. Shot my team. I keep shooting my teammate. What the fuck? Okay. team. Sorry. Okay, let's go. Whoa. Okay. Move, fucker. Chain. Here, take that. There you go. Oh, diamond dude. Diamond dude. Get the hell away from me. Oh my god, you failed at parkour. Oh, almost. Almost. Stone sword. That's sharpness 1, I think. Yep, sharpness 1. It doesn't do anything. It's the same thing as the iron. Hey there. Team? Team? No, be a douche like that, bitch. Well, how did I get poisoned? Okay. Let's do one more and then I'm done. Oh, hi. Damn. Oh, run. I can hear him behind me. The hell? Okay, guys, that's enough. Yeah, the server will be in the IP will be in the description, and I hope you enjoyed, and sub, please, because I need subs. Bye.